What if one small daily habit could slowly build a stronger, healthier, and more energetic version of you? Drinking turmeric water every day is one of the simplest natural health practices that many people follow to improve their overall wellness. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that helps the body fight infections and stay strong. When you drink a glass of warm turmeric water in the morning, it may help improve digestion, reduce gas and bloating, and support a healthier gut. A healthy stomach means better nutrient absorption, which means more natural energy for your daily work. Turmeric water is also known for helping the immune system become stronger, which means your body can fight common illnesses more effectively. It may also support heart health by helping blood circulation and reducing harmful cholesterol levels. Many people drink it to help reduce joint pain and body stiffness, especially as they get older or do physical work. Another benefit is for the skin, because turmeric helps fight harmful free radicals that can damage skin cells. Regular use may help give clearer skin and a natural glow. For best results, you only need about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in 1 glass of warm water. Adding a pinch of black pepper is very helpful because it increases the absorption of curcumin, making turmeric much more effective. You can also add a few drops of lemon or a little honey for better taste. However, too much turmeric is not good, so always keep the quantity moderate. Remember, good health does not come from one big action, but from small good habits repeated daily. 1 glass cannot change your life, but daily discipline can slowly transform your health. Start this golden habit today and invest in a stronger tomorrow.